On today's training we will be covering getting ready for inventory by checking your count sheets, also known as storages, and reviewing your purchase report. Inventory can be done daily, weekly, or monthly. The purchase report is a list of all products that were received into Nxtedge during the selected date range. It includes product name, date purchased, vendor, invoice number, quantity, standard unit of measure, price per unit, and extended price. The purchase report includes all products that have been linked to vendor items. For more training on how to receive invoices, schedule training with one of our team members. To run your purchase report, click on Inventory, click on Reports, click on Purchase Report. Select your date range. The date range will default as year to date. You can now use the filters to filter the data further. You can filter by products, by vendor, and by category. You can export or print this report by detailed or summary. When reviewing this report, keep in mind that the unit price that is listed on this report is the unit price that the product will be counted at. You can override the price by adding in a manual price while counting in the web portal, as well as in the app. You can graph your purchase price, quantity purchased, and dollars spent by clicking on the graph icon. You can print this report. If you want to pin this product to your dashboard for easy viewing in the future, click on the pin icon and it will now display it on your dashboard. If you find products that have the wrong value, you should review the unit of measure as well as the invoice. Only the last invoice needs to be fixed for the value to be accurate in inventory. A manual price can be added on the product list, in the app, or back office while counting. Manual pricing overrides the invoice price. But if the units are wrong, the price will be wrong the next time an invoices comes in if the units are not corrected. Inventory can be counted in the Nxtedge app or on paper. To print count sheets, click on Inventory, click on Reports and Count Sheets. The storages and shelved are listed. Select the count sheet you want to print and then click Apply. The count sheets will load and then you will be able to print with and without price. The units of measure that are listed on the paper are based on the last unit that was counted in each column. The count sheets will always default to the standard unit of measure in first column and the purchasing unit of measure in the second column. You can change this by going into the inventory taken and adjusting this in the column. Refresh the count sheets and they will reflect the changes to the units you want to display on the count sheets. If you will be counting in the app, get with a team member to download and set up the app. If you want to adjust your count sheets, let us know and we will show you how to do this. You are now ready to count inventory. To schedule one-on-one training, click the link in the description or call 561-880-2970.